Amazon Eero Mesh Wi-Fi System, Router for Whole Home Coverage, 3-pack. Whole Home Coverage. An Eero 3-pack is a whole home Wi-Fi system that replaces your router and covers up to 5,000 sq.ft. Works with Alexa. With Eero and an Alexa device not included, you can easily manage Wi-Fi access for devices and individuals in the home, taking focus away from screens and back to what's important. Works with your internet service provider. Eero connects to your modem to bring your existing internet connection to every corner of your home. Setup in minutes. The Eero app walks you through setup in less than 10 minutes and allows you to manage your network from anywhere. Don't let Wi-Fi slow you down. Get the most from your Wi-Fi by streaming, gaming, and working from anywhere in your home. Gets better over time. Automatic updates keep your network safe and secure. True mesh technology. Eero intelligently routes traffic to avoid congestion, buffering, and drop-offs. Easily expand your system with cross-compatible hardware. You can add Eero products as your needs change. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.